Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a golf shaft extension. First, gather your essential tools, including a heat gun, a sturdy vise, and a sharp utility knife. Secure the golf club firmly in the vise, taking care to protect the shaft from any potential damage. Always ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area, especially when applying heat to adhesives. Now, carefully apply heat to the shaft extension using your heat gun. Move the heat gun around the extension for about 15 to 20 seconds, ensuring even distribution. It's crucial not to overheat the shaft, as this could compromise its integrity. Periodically, give the extension a gentle twist to check if the adhesive is softening. Once the adhesive has softened sufficiently, you can begin to twist and pull the extension off the shaft. If it's still a bit stubborn, use your utility knife to carefully score any remaining adhesive, being mindful not to cut into the shaft itself. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended to prevent burns and provide a better grip during this step. After removing the extension, you'll likely have some residual adhesive on the shaft. Use a plastic scraper to gently remove this, avoiding any metal tools that could scratch the shaft. Then, clean the area thoroughly with rubbing alcohol or a suitable solvent. Finally, inspect the shaft for any damage before proceeding with re-gripping or further customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.